This is a hard-paste porcelain food warmer, known as a Veilleuse, produced at the Nymphenburg Porcelain Factory in Germany around 1758 to 1760, with the institutional record noting a connection to the Meissen Porcelain Factory. The piece consists of two stacked components: a deep lower bowl on a raised foot ring and a wider upper basin fitted with two pierced, gilt-edged handles. The basin's exterior decorated with loosely painted scattered flower sprigs in pink, red, blue, and green against a luminous white ground, all trimmed with fine gold lines at the rim and base. A Veilleuse was designed to keep food or liquid warm, typically by housing a small heat source beneath the lower vessel, making it a luxury object of the domestic table used for nursing the sick, feeding infants, or maintaining warmth for late-night meals. The delicate floral painting in the famia rose manner, the lacework piercing of the handles, and the precise fit of the two vessels together reflect the ambition of Nymphenburg in its earliest decades to rival the established supremacy of Meissen in European hard-paste porcelain production. This description was written by Claude Anthropic's AI, with narration by Kokoro text-to-speech.